These are the 5 differences between leasing a car and using a car subscription. First is the commitment length. Usually with a lease, you can get it for 2 years to 4 years, but within a car subscription, you could have it for however many months you want as long as you pay that monthly fee. Second is the included services. So for a lease, you commonly just pay for the car and sometimes it comes with maintenance. But if you get a car subscription, you can have the maintenance, registration, insurance all bundled up in a monthly fee that you're paying. Third is the upfront costs. In a lease, you're usually paying the security deposit, the down payment, and just the upfront fees that you have to pay for the car. Car subscription, you're looking at just the one payment. Fourth is the vehicle choice and swaps. Usually with the lease, you're only getting the one car, but in a car subscription, you could be rolling in an SUV the first month, they offer it a sports car in the month after that. So lastly is the mileage limits. Usually in a lease, you're only allowed to go a strict amount of miles within your term. With a car subscription, you're allowed to have a bit more flexibility in having higher mileage.